It's the final push for the Paulk Total Station Ultralight. You know that point in the end there, I've got a few holes to drill, a few adjustments to make, but I want to drop back and work a few things out and make some improvements. The bench that I end up with, all of my benches are always prototypes. I just want to get them, everything I can work out. And as much as I like to design and do all the stuff on the computer with SketchUp and work everything out before I get in the field, just down in the shop, there's just things real world. I've been using the bench and been using it to outfeed for 2 table saws. I've been using the router station. I've been using the miter saw, so it's a chance to really work with it and test it out. And so I'll drop back and do some remodeling so I can get the plans just right. Hey, welcome to the Smart Wood Shop. And so I went down to the shop and I was getting ready for that final push, and I went, I need a clear mind, and it's the way I work. I wanted to get the shop back to zero. So I put everything away, vacuumed everything up, just got everything clean. And then, it sort of wiped the day out. It was an hour or 2 to do it, but other things came up. So I'm going to go down fresh today, and I've got a lot of fun stuff to work on, but I thought I would just let you kind of see where I was at. Hey, if you want to follow along with the building of the Paulk Total Station Ultralight or the other little projects I do in the shop or any of the videos, be sure to subscribe. Make sure you give me a like, and most important, share the channel with others to help me to build my subscriber base. And also, if you want a set of workbench plans, you can click on the link right here in the video or in the description down below, where you can also find my Amazon store. Thanks for taking the time to watch. See you in the next one.